Okay, so we're going to learn how to do a multiplication chart using some tricks. So once you have filled up your chart from 2 to 10, the ones we're going to skip them because those are easy. So you follow from 1 to 10 and then from 2 to 10 and then from 2 to 10. And then we are going to start with the 2's. So you will know the multiples of 2. So it's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 20. Then it's easy to do the 4's because that is 2 times 2, right? So 4 times 2 is 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 30. Yes. No, I did something wrong. 4, 6, 8, 10, 16. Okay, yeah, never mind. I will see. There you go. I found my mistake. All right. 32. There you go. 32, 36, and 40. Now we can do the 5's, right? Because we all know the multiples of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. And look, you see how little by little you're filling it up? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And if you have it like that, then you can have it like that. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. So you can use this if it's easier for you, if you haven't memorized your multiplication facts, but I really encourage you to memorize them because just doing this, you're going to have to do this at the very beginning of every single quiz or test, and it is time consuming. Instead, if you just know 5 times 5 is 25, you don't even have to go 5 times 5, 25 every time you do something. So once you have filled up 2, 4, 5, and 10, now we can do the 3's, right? Even you can use your fingers if you need to, but I encourage you not to do it. So 3, 6, 9, what else? 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. And then the 6's is basically 2 times the 3's, right? So 6 is 2 times 6 is 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. Now, once you do that, I'm going to show you a really cool trick. Starting at the 9, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. And then that's it. And now you just basically have to check 7 times 2. Well, you already have 2 times 7, right? So that's 14. 7 times 3, you already have 3 times 7, so that's 21. And so on. 7 times 4, you already have 4 times 7, which is 28. So you basically have to continue filling it up. 7 times 7 is the only one that you don't have, which is 49, right? 7 times 8 is 56. And so 8 times 7 is going to be 56 right here. 9 times 7, you already have it here, 63. So 9 times 7, 7 times 9 is 63. And then the same with the 8's. And here you can go double the 4's if you want to, right? Because 8 is double 4. So 3 times 8 is 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 4 is 4 8s is 32. 8 times 5 is 40, right? 5, 8 times right here is 40. 8, 6 is the same as 6, 8, which is 48. 8, 8 is the only one that we don't have, which is 64. And then 8, 9, which is 9, 8, 72, right? So there are many ways you can do it. I recommend you do first, you do the 2s, then the 4s, then the 5s, then the 10s. Second, you can do the 3s, you can do the 6s, and then do the trick of 9. And then finally, just the rest, right? Those 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And hope this helps.